so nice.
Okay, we are heading up to the glass bottom boats. So it should be fun. I don't see any monkeys yet.
No, hopefully we don't. We can hear them.
Right.
Baby.
I was getting the name of our boat.
Right there is perfect, sir.
Coming in.
What do you want to say?
Down here is where they did all the underwater filming and sequencing for the creature of the Black Lagoon.
Oh, wow, this is where they filmed the creature from the Black Lagoon.
Yes, how cool.
Brownie. This beat meets this cove meets that crest that is your actual spring. That spring down there is 38 feet deep.
Oh, wow.
it doesn't look
Looks about 10 feet, don't it?
Now we have just about 27 different species of fish here, but not limited to 7 different type of bass, 2 different type of gar. We have Picassamus here. We have that high flying jump out of the water and smack back down fish called mullet. We have that come up, go up some air and go back down air breathing fish called bowfin. And we have a species of fish here that does not belong here at all. It is called tilapia. Ladies and gentlemen, who knows where tilapia comes from? And please don't say Publix. Well, tilapia is an Asian fish. It comes from Southeast Asia. So a lot of those boat captains like to believe it's a shortcut through one of these beautiful springs down here to get here. Now this island that's coming up in front of us is called Bird Island.
It's really cool.
They call it Bird Island for the many different species of birds you can find on that island. The blackbirds with the orange hook beaks, those are called cormorants. And the blackbirds with the straight pointy beaks, those are called anhingas, or snake birds. Only because when you see them swimming around in the water, you don't know whether they're a bird, a snake, an alligator, or what. Now it is their nesting season, so if you look up in the trees up there, you'll see that they built a couple of pen houses up there.
They're up in that
And if
tree.
you look in those pen houses very closely, you'll see some of those beautiful little baby birds hanging out up there also.
Oh, look at them.
Now there's grass that's growing at the bottom of the glass. This grass is called eel grass. This eel grass can grow anywhere from 4 to 5 feet. And we always know which way the river is flowing by the way the eel grass is bending. And this river flows at an awesome 6 to 7 miles per hour. If you guys look off the right-hand side of my boat, guys, in the distance, pretty much on any log that you see back there, you'll see a bunch of turtles on a log. Those turtles, they are yellow belly, red belly, orange belly, slaughter turtles, or cooter turtles. Those are the same type of turtles you can find at the local pet store. Now the difference between those turtles and the ones that you have at your house is nothing. They're dinosaur.
Where's that at? I've seen
At the
Lily.
University of Florida, they actually had this tested down here. And it turns out that that down there is, in fact, a rock. But if you look alongside that rock, you'll see a piece
right
of
here.
wood.
Right there.
It's right
And
here.
the University of Florida also took that piece of wood
They
to
thought
the
that was the
facility
backbone of a
and gave it.
dinosaur?
Yeah, look at
And it turns out that that piece of wood down there is actually, in fact, a Native American dugout canoe. Left
That's
here
pretty
by
cool.
the Timucuan
That's an
Indians
Indian
over
canoe.
500 to 600 years ago. Is that not cool as well?
That boat right there.
See it?
Yeah, it's
You
pretty
see
cool.
it
ain't
right
it?
there?
Now this next spring that we're about to go see is one of my favorite springs. And I know we shouldn't have favorites, but I'm a boat captain here kinda, so I can and I will. This next spring coming up is a first magnitude spring. This spring is responsible for pushing out 250
It
million
doesn't.
gallons of water every 24
What do you
hours
think,
on
baby?
its
This
own.
is really cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the blue grotto. But before we look at this and I lose you guys' attention, there is a baby gator hanging out on that log right there in front of us. Let's get that out of the way right now. You guys will look down, look up, and then the next thing I know, I lost your
Oh,
attention.
here's Gator, Romero.
Everybody see that beautiful gator over there?
I don't know about beautiful, maybe tasty. Hope he's got some sunscreen.
Did everybody get to see that beautiful gator over there?
Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. Can we get back to the springs? Awesome. I guess not. I'll wait. Now, do your thing. Do your thing. Are you sure? You positive? All right now. You know. This is some heavy duty stuff right here. Like I said, this spring right here pushes out 250 million gallons of water a day on its own, ladies and gentlemen. Coming into view at the bottom of the glass, I give you the blue glass. Like I said, this spring system pushes out in total 868 million gallons of water a day. It does not matter whether it is a lake, a stream, a river, stay, a canal, a waterfall, stay, or the oceans them say, Ricky, stay!
He's moving, look at him.
I'm not beating you later.
He's like, heck with this.
Yeah, I thought you would stay. You know what? That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So, this water that we are sitting on,
Alright, here we go.
You guys stay wonderful, stay awesome, stay amazing,
Here,
stay
book
beautiful.
tour's finishing.
Oh, yeah. Stay safe. Slight bump coming up, guys. As we come into the
Book tour's finishing, baby.
You guys don't have to get busy, get a little bit of whip.
Do what?
Please remember my insurance company name is your fault. Slight bump, guys.
Alright, fellas. Signing off right here soon. Yeah, I love this. This is nice, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Thank you very much, sir. Greatly appreciate it.